Hello everyone and welcome! Today we'll embark on a journey to discover the most joyful ways to water your small garden. Watering is an act of love, a way to connect with nature and help our plant friends thrive. Fear not, my friends. In this video, we'll explore simple yet effective watering techniques that will save you time, conserve water, and bring you closer to the quiet joy of gardening. Let's create a watering routine that sparks as much joy as the vibrant blooms in your garden. The gentle act of hand watering. It's a meditative practice that allows us to connect with each plant individually. Think of it as a mindful ritual, a time to observe your plant's growth and truly appreciate their beauty. Some plants, like thirsty herbs, might need a generous drink, while others, like succulents, prefer a more sparing approach. For small container gardens or individual plants, hand watering is a delightful choice. To make your hand watering even more joyful and effective, I recommend using a watering can with a long, narrow spout. This allows you to direct the water precisely to the base of the plant, avoiding splashes on the leaves, which can lead to fungal diseases. Remember, watering is not just a chore, it's a chance to connect with nature and cultivate joy in your surroundings. Just as we declutter our homes to create a sense of calm and order, setting up a drip irrigation system can bring a sense of peace to your gardening routine. This system ensures that your plants are consistently hydrated without the need for constant manual watering. It's like giving your garden a big warm hug, providing it with the care and attention it needs to thrive, ensuring each plant receives a consistent and gentle supply of water. This method is particularly beneficial during dry spells or hot weather. Imagine this: a network of tiny tubes discreetly delivering water directly to the roots of your plants, working quietly in the background, minimizing waste and maximizing efficiency. This not only conserves water but also ensures that your plants get exactly what they need. Drip irrigation is especially well suited for raised beds, balcony gardens, and larger container setups. These environments benefit greatly from the precise watering that drip irrigation provides. Setting up a drip irrigation system is easier than you might think. With a little planning and the right tools, you can have it up and running in no time. You can find simple kits online or at your local garden center. These kits often come with everything you need to get started. Think of the joy of knowing that your plants are being well cared for, flourishing under your attentive care, even when you're busy with other tasks. This system allows you to focus on other aspects of gardening or simply enjoy your garden more. And the best part? Drip irrigation significantly reduces water waste. It's an eco-friendly choice that benefits both your garden and the environment. By delivering water directly to the roots, it minimizes evaporation and ensures that every drop is used efficiently. This targeted approach is ideal for conserving water. So if you're looking for a watering method that's both effective and environmentally friendly, look no further. Drip irrigation is a wonderful option. Embrace this method and watch your garden flourish like never before. Self-watering containers. Embracing effortless hydration. In the spirit of creating a tidy and efficient home, let's explore the magic of self-watering containers. These ingenious inventions are like the KonMari method for your plants. They simplify your life while promoting healthy growth. By ensuring your plants get just the right amount of water, they help prevent overwatering and underwatering, common issues for many gardeners. Imagine containers that act as mini reservoirs, holding a reserve of water that your plants can access as needed. This means your plants can thrive, even if you forget to water them for a few days. It's like having a built-in watering system that takes the guesswork out of hydration. No more worrying about whether your plants are getting too much or too little water. Self-watering containers are a godsend for indoor gardens, balconies, and drought-prone areas. They ensure that your plants remain hydrated even in challenging conditions. They provide a consistent source of moisture, reducing the frequency of watering and giving you peace of mind, knowing your plants are well hydrated. This is especially beneficial for those with busy schedules or who travel frequently. These containers come in a variety of sizes and styles to suit any aesthetic. Whether you have a modern, minimalist space or a more traditional garden, there's a self-watering container that will fit perfectly. Choose ones that spark joy when you see them, whether it's a sleek modern design or a charming rustic look. The right container can enhance the beauty of your garden while making plant care easier. Using self-watering containers is incredibly easy. The setup process is straightforward, and once they're in place, they require minimal maintenance. Simply fill the reservoir with water, and the container's wicking system will draw moisture up to the roots as needed. This ensures that your plants get a steady supply of water without any effort on your part. So, if you're looking for a low-maintenance way to keep your plants thriving, embrace the simplicity and efficiency of self-watering containers. They truly make gardening a more enjoyable and stress-free experience. Mulch, a cozy blanket for your soil. Just as we cherish soft, comfortable blankets in our homes, our garden soil thrives when it's covered with a cozy layer of mulch. This simple addition can transform the health and appearance of your garden. Mulch acts like a protective blanket, shielding the soil from the harsh elements and preserving its precious moisture. It creates a barrier that helps to maintain a stable environment for your plants. Imagine a layer of organic material, like shredded leaves, bark chips, or straw, gently blanketing the soil around your plants. Each type of mulch offers unique benefits and can be chosen based on your garden's specific needs. It's like tucking them in for a restful sleep, creating a nurturing environment for their roots to flourish. This nurturing layer helps to foster a thriving ecosystem right beneath the surface. Mulch offers a multitude of benefits. Beyond its protective qualities, it also enhances the aesthetic appeal of your garden. It helps to regulate soil temperature, keeping it cool in the summer and warm in the winter. This temperature regulation is crucial for the health of your plants throughout the year. It suppresses weed growth, reducing competition for water and nutrients. This means less work for you and more resources for your plants. And most importantly, it significantly improves water retention, allowing your plants to access moisture for longer periods. This is especially beneficial during dry spells. Applying mulch is like giving your garden a spa treatment. It rejuvenates the soil and promotes healthier plant growth. It enhances the soil structure, improves drainage, and adds beneficial nutrients as it decomposes. This ongoing process enriches the soil over time. When choosing mulch, opt for natural, organic materials. These are not only environmentally friendly, but also more beneficial for your garden. Think of mulch as a gift that keeps on giving, improving the health and vitality of your garden over time. With each season, you'll see the positive impact it has on your plants and soil. As we've discovered, watering our small gardens can be so much more than just a chore. It's an opportunity to connect with nature, to nurture life, and to find joy in the simple act of caring for our plants. By choosing the right watering methods for our spaces, we can conserve water, save time, and create healthier environments for our plants to thrive. Whether it's the mindful practice of hand watering, the efficiency of drip irrigation, the ease of self-watering containers, or the nurturing embrace of mulch, there's a watering solution that sparks joy for every gardener. How do you water your small garden? Share your favorite watering tips in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more gardening guides. Let's grow together.